In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic cross-reference links in OneNote. Creating quick links between your notes is a great way to stay organized and navigate your content more efficiently. OneNote includes a simple built-in feature that allows you to connect pages using a special typing format, helping you jump between related ideas without manually searching for them. To begin, open your OneNote notebook and click anywhere inside a page where you want to insert a reference link. This could be within a sentence, a heading, or a separate line dedicated to navigation. Once your cursor is in place, you're ready to create the link. The key to this feature is a specific typing pattern. Start by typing 2 opening square brackets. After that, type the exact name of the page you want to link to. In this example, you might type the title of an existing page. Once you've entered the page name, close it with 2 square brackets. As soon as you complete this format, OneNote will automatically convert the text into a clickable link. You'll notice that the appearance changes, indicating that it is now interactive. When you click on this link, OneNote will instantly open the corresponding page, allowing you to move between sections of your notebook seamlessly. Another helpful aspect of this feature is that it doesn't only work with existing pages. You can also create links to pages that haven't been created yet. To do this, use the same format with double square brackets, then type the name of the page you want to create and close the brackets. Once you finish typing, OneNote will automatically generate a new page with that title. You'll typically see that this newly created page appears in your notebook structure, and it may be visually marked to indicate that it doesn't contain any content yet. This is especially useful when you're planning notes in advance or organizing ideas that you intend to expand later. This feature makes it much easier to build connections across your notebook, whether you're linking related topics or setting up a structured workflow. It saves time and keeps your notes interconnected without requiring complicated steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.